Hi everyone, welcome to Simple Forex Trader, and today we are looking at the alerts for trading the Euro USD on the 4-hour chart. So just before we do the 4-hour charts, I want to share with you, we use this box here. This is the wave calculator that indicator that gives us the indication. Once you plot it, gives an entry and exit target of a certain pair. So this today we are looking at giving you an alert for next week for the Euro USD, and you can see on the daily charts the price is moving up very strongly here. This is going back since March last year, 2020, all the way up to now January the 16th. And it's been moving strongly for about 1,728 pips, almost 1,750 pips all the way there. So look at retracing back down to here to this moving average here. So let's see, look at the 4-hour charts now. The 4-hour chart has been coming down strongly, as you can see here. Hit the high and come back down here. So go back to daily, go back to weekly here. It may have a bit of room to continue moving up to here. Another 200, another 300, just over 300 pips before it hits here. So what we're looking at is this is a strong push down. So we'll go back to weekly. Let's put a line there. Daily. Yep, and weekly. This is 4-hourly. So look at the 4-hourly. We're seeing that it is coming down. So what we can do is that we're going to sell this market here. We plot a 1, 2, 3. So we found ourselves a new high up here and a retracement here, another low, and then a retracement here. So that therefore you got yourself a nice 1, 2, 3 setup. So in this case you plot a 1 here, top of the tray of the pair, and the retracement is here. Oops, didn't quite get to that candle bar. Now I should be able to get it. There you go. That's the second one, and the third one is the retracement there of this pair. And bingo, you get yourself a nice retracement, right? A nice entry area here. Let's just zoom out, and bingo, there's your target here. This is your first 3 target. It's very conservative. You always try and get out of the trade within the first 3 targets. So this wave calculator gives a nice indication of where we can exit our trade. Where to place our stop loss? Stop loss will be about here. Make that change that color. Just make it nice and red here, so that's your stop loss. So we're looking at re-entering the trade here when it retraces back. So it's going to continue coming back down. Let me just draw. It's going to come back down to here and not quite make it. It will trace back up and come back down to this third target here. So in that case, you're looking at here. Just drawing this. All right, so you got your entry here at, let's say, enter back at retracement at about the 50% target here. Enter trade at in this blue box. 50% retracement here is 1.2241. If you enter that area in this here, 50%, your first target will hit at 240 pips. Second is 273. Your third is 321 pips. And if you want, you can continue further down to the next 2 target here. But to be conservative and reduce your movement, you can just take the first 3 target here, and that's where you exit your trade. So that's pretty good. And all you need to do now, you know where your exit target is. You just make sure you plot a 1, 2, 3 using the wave calculator. That's how we did it. And you can get this wave calculator on the link below. Plotting 1, a 2 here, and a 3 here, and that will give you your nice third target here. All right, everyone, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed today's learning lesson, and also that led to sell the Euro USD on a 4-hour chart. And thanks for watching. We'll see you back next time. Have a lovely weekend. Bye for now.